Hey, this is Jonathan Blundell, and I'm going to walk you through a few things on WordPress and show you an overview of how to do a few things that will help you improve your site and let you manage things and update things on your own. So right out of the box, I've got a real basic WordPress website. I've set it up. This is basically the straight out of the box install. No graphics, not a whole lot of styling, no image headers. This is what it looks like when you get out of the box. Now, of course, WordPress can be customized in multiple ways. This is a WordPress site here. This is a WordPress site here. This is a WordPress site here. This is another WordPress site. These are all built on the same system on WordPress, and so it kind of shows you just briefly that it's a pretty powerful tool, and it's a content management system, which means that you can manage content in a real quick, easy way. So we'll log in first and foremost. Everyone's going to have their own login URL. It's going to be unique to your website. So you go ahead and log in, and you will be presented with the dashboard. Now, you actually, depending on your browser, you may be able to save your password. I don't recommend that, just because you don't want someone to get in there and get onto your computer and start changing things. That's your own decision there. You can decide whether to save that or not. But that'll be, and also dependent upon your browser. This is your actual dashboard. You'll hear dashboard a lot. It also may be referred to as the back end of the website. This is where you manage all your content. Right out of the box, this is what this looks like. You have your kind of an overview of content that you have on the website, how many posts, how many pages, comments, any comments that may be spam or pending. You have an option here for quick press, where you can real quickly type out a blog post if you like and hit publish. Any recent drafts, any pending comments. That's your basic dashboard, your front page. Now, to get started, we'll go ahead and create a new post. I can hover over here on the left hand side, and where it says post, I will go down and click add new. And so I'm going to, this is a test post, and I'm going to grab some text over here from Pride and Prejudice, which is in public domain right now, luckily for us. So I'm going to copy this text, paste it in, and it's also already almost somewhat formatted. It's ready to go. I could actually hit publish and be good to go there. One thing I do want to show you real quickly is one of the differences with WordPress is if you want to get real technical and use the coding, you can do that. If you want to just do kind of a what you see is what you get version, kind of like you might see with Word or other word processors, you can do that. So if you're more visual oriented, you can actually click this visual tab over here on the right hand side, or you can do the text side if you want to actually go in and do coding. So as you can see, this has a little bit of coding here. The eyes around it actually make it italic. So right here, that's an italic word. If we wanted to actually make this bold, or actually like a big letter font, I can put a little coding around it. And when I go over here, that changes it there. But the same, I can do the same thing here by hovering over it and making it bold and doing some different changes to that. Depending on your website, you may have some different features up here on this actual formatting bar, and this is where you might format the different text of your post. So that's the basic. If you just want to add text, you're good to go. You can hit publish and you're live. So it says here post published. Let's view the post, and there we go. That's my test post.